Welcome back to the session, everyone. Look at this question. This question is taken from Engineering Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 2026 examination. And question like this are very important because they combine the non-destructive testing with the machine health monitoring, which is widely used in the turbines, compressors, aircraft engines, and the power plants. And today's topic is acoustic emission testing, one of the smartest entity techniques available. Now, before answering the question, let us understand one important theory. Imagine you bend a dry wooden stick. It will crack. But did you hear that sound? That sound is released because the material suddenly released stored elastic energy. And the same thing happens inside the metals. Whenever a crack starts growing inside a turbine blade or compression blade, tiny bursts of electric waves are produced. And these high frequency stress waves are called the acoustic emissions. AE. Okay, so the acoustic emission is a non-destructive testing technique in which the elastic waves generated by crack initiation or the crack growth are detected using highly sensitive sensors. Okay, so unlike the ultrasonic testing sends waves into the material, but acoustic emission only listens to the waves directly already produced by the material itself. So that is the thing. Now, if a person screams, do you need to ask him whether he is in pain or not? Obviously not. Similarly, a cracked blade screams by producing acoustic emissions, and our sensor simply listens. And that is why AE is often called the listening technique in NDT. Now, let us answer the actual question. That is the working principle. Suppose a turbine blade is rotating. So initially the blade is perfectly healthy. No crack means almost no acoustic emission. Now, because of cycle loading, vibration, thermal stress, fatigue, a tiny crack starts developing. And whenever this crack opens for or extends, it releases the elastic energy. And this energy travels through the blade as stress waves. And sensitive sensors mounted on the blade casing the receive these waves. Okay, and the sensor converts these mechanical waves into the electrical signals, and these signals are amplified and analyzed by a computer. And if the number of the acoustic emission events suddenly increases, it indicates the crack initiation or crack propagation, and thus before the blade completely fails, maintenance engineer receive an early warning. Okay, so remember one important concept: a crack has two stages. First is crack initiation. Second is the crack propagation. And acoustic emission is especially effective during the crack propagation because growing cracks release much more elastic energy. Okay. Now, what are the advantages? Advantages are like early detection. Very small cracks can be detected before the failure occurs. Second is like real-time monitoring. Inspection can be carried out while the machine is operating. No need to dismantle the turbine. C is high sensitivity. Even microscopic crack growth produces the detectable signals. Fourth is prevents the catastrophic failure. Blade failure in turbines or aircraft engines can cause the several severe accidents. Okay, so AE provides the advanced warning basically. Okay, and fifth point, this will be like large area monitoring. A few sensors can monitor an entire component. Okay. Now, what are the limitations? Every engineering method has limitations. So, the limitations are like external machine noise can interfere, skilled interpretation of signals is required, and difficult to detect completely inactive defects, and equipment is comparatively expensive. Okay. Now, acoustic emission is a passive non-destructive testing technique used to detect the crack initiation and propagation in turbine and compression blades. And during service, fatigue loading causes the cracks to develop, and the crack growth releases the elastic energy in the form of the high frequency stress waves. Okay, and the sensors mounted on the machine detect these waves and convert them into the electrical signals, and the signals are analyzed to identify the location and severe condition of the blade damage. Okay, so A enables the continuous online monitoring, early crack detection, improved safety, reduce the maintenance cost, and prevention of the catastrophic blade failure. Okay. Now, acoustic emission is a passive entity technique. It detects the elastic waves generated by the crack growth. Sensors are basically used and best suited for the fatigue crack monitoring in the rotating machinery, and used in the gas turbines, steam turbines, aircraft engines, and compressors, and the wind turbines. Okay. So, if ultrasonic testing sends sound to the material, and acoustic emission listens to the sound coming from the material, which technique is active and which is passive, that is the main issue. All right.